This is Mikhail with the MasterKit team, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to free yourself from negative thought patterns and start living life today. Let's dig in. So, negative thoughts, where do they come from? It's extremely important for you to understand that the negative thoughts that you experience are there for a reason. They come from a very ancient and a very primal part of your brain known as the amygdala. Now, before you tune out, okay, understand that every single animal has this part of the brain. It's meant to help you survive. It exists for a reason. It's meant to keep you out of harm. It serves a very, very important purpose. But the downside of it is that it creates a lot of hypothetical scenarios that are not real and are not relevant to your current situation, or even to the reality of what that situation would actually look like if you found yourself in it. For example, starting my business will be risky. If I risk everything, I might lose my money and then I might have no money. I'm afraid of that, so I'm not going to start my business. Whereas in reality, if you start your business, you might learn a bunch, and then you'll have those skills and those tools to be able to use in any other business that you want. But the amygdala is meant to protect you from harm. So it's going to go ahead and it's going to guide you away from anything that is risky. And once you're able to pinpoint that and associate that and start to look at what are the types of scenarios that it is creating, that's where you can start to take that first step towards actually removing these negative thought patterns from your life. Let's look at how much these things are really serving you, right? When you're having that fear of the what if scenario that's not really real at all, it's completely made up. What are you not doing? You're not enjoying your life. You might be sitting there having an amazing dinner with your friends, and yet you're not experiencing that moment. You are not taking the actions that you actually need to take in order to improve your life either. It's actually sabotaging you with good intentions, right? We've all had that where somebody gives you advice, say, oh, don't do that thing, it'll be too scary, right? Yeah, it's part of your brain that's doing that exact same thing, but you just aren't always aware of it. So when it comes to removing these negative thought patterns, once we're able to acknowledge, okay, that part of our brain serves a purpose to protect us, now we're able to start to define where these thoughts come from. We're able to see the source. And that source is based on our entire belief system. All of our positive beliefs and all of our negative beliefs. All of our empowering beliefs and all of our limiting beliefs. And what we want to start working on is anchoring to making those fears rational. Once you can rationalize the fear, you will actually realize that that fear wasn't real in the first place. Because that part of your brain that's creating, it's not a rational part of your brain, it's an emotional part of the brain. It simply wants to survive. And once you start to associate that with rational factors, what you will realize is that hypothetical scenario isn't real at all. And then it's based on a lot of limiting beliefs. And if you eliminate those limiting beliefs, you will not have that negative thought at all. That fear is tied to that limiting belief that then is tied to this hypothetical scenario that's reducing the joy in your life. That's where you want to start with MasterKit. It is our belief that you right now watching this video have something great inside of you. You might be the next great doctor, the next great innovator, the next great leader that our world needs right now. And we're here to guide you every single step of the way. Please like, comment, and subscribe so you can be notified when we upload more videos. And I want to hear from you. What is it that you want to achieve in the time that you have? Go ahead, put one thing down below in the comments. We'd love to hear what that is and see how we can help you achieve it.